the more food that we're producing on the homestead, the more important it has gotten to be really, really practical about the way that we work. One of the ways that we do that is to really focus on growing things that grow really well in our area, also things that preserve themselves really easily. So today I'm going to show you the method that we use to really put up a whole lot of food really fast. In fact, it is the fastest method I know for preserving a whole winter's worth of food. So you're going to want to check it out. So to preserve a whole winter's worth of food, we are really focusing on putting up something that grows really well here in our area, and that's root crops. So in our area, of course, we live in Idaho, so we've got potatoes, they grow really well. We have carrots, we have beets, we have parsnips, and they all grow super well up here, but they have a really great other benefit that we absolutely love, and that's that they almost preserve themselves. In fact, they are so easy to preserve. We can preserve the entire winter's worth in about one morning at this point. And this is going to feed us meal after meal after meal all winter long for our large family. So the preserving itself is really easy. We just dig up the root vegetables and then we put them in these wooden crates that we have. You know, I just got most of these wooden crates from the craft store. We line them with a little bit of newspaper and then we put a layer of shavings down, of just damp shavings. And then we put a layer of vegetables. We don't worry if they touch each other. And then we put another layer of damp shavings down. And then we put another layer of root vegetables down. We do that all the way through the entire crate, topping it off with some more of the damp shavings. Now, they can't be wet. They just need to be damp, but they hold the moisture into the root crops, because one of the biggest dangers of preserving your root crops is that they're going to have a tendency to dry out. So you want to keep a little bit of moisture on them. That's really important. Okay, we've been harvesting all the root crops and they're all packed in here, packed in damp shavings in these bins. And there's a lot of them. And those go here in our basement. They go, that's the storm doors here. So we just keep them in this space all winter because it is not insulated but underground, so that helps keep them really cool. So today we've got to get them piled into the actual storm door section, the stairwell of the root cellar, or of the basement. This has worked really well for us, but we have a lot of them this year, so we'll see how we do. Not done yet. We have, we actually ran out of our wooden crates. And so I had to order some more. So we have a bunch of beets just in these fruit boxes. And then we don't have the potatoes in yet. So we'll keep adding to it, but we're gonna get these in there for the moment. And then when the boxes come, we'll pack them down in the shavings when the wooden crates come. And then we'll get all the potatoes in. I actually have some cabbage up there. I know it looks really rough. It honestly wasn't the best cabbage coming out of the garden. It had been in there a little bit too long. But the thing with cabbage is those outer leaves are gonna peel right off and the inner core of the cabbage will stay great right here on the, these are actually the steps of the basement for, sometimes we can get them for like 3 months just sitting right there. And they'll make a great like fresh winter salad made with cabbage instead of with lettuce. Woohoo, that feels good. Lots of good food in here. Isn't that amazing? Like, that is so much food put up so quickly. In fact, I think that it's actually the fastest way to preserve a whole winter's amount of food. I can do an entire winter's amount in just a few minutes. Oh, that's a little loud. Got the freeze dryer running. Got a whole batch of tomatoes and pork broth going in here. Okay, so now every Monday throughout the winter, we'll come down to the basement. One of us in the house will come down to the basement to our root cellar space, and we'll fill up an entire basket of our root veggies. We'll go ahead and prepare those. We'll scrub them up. We will wash them, make sure they're really clean. And then I'll go ahead and get them diced. And we'll put them in a casserole pan. We'll just slide those into the refrigerator so that we can have roasted root veggies any night of the week. And it's so much easier if you just have them already prepared on a schedule. Otherwise, they take a few minutes to get cleaned up and to get diced and ready to go. So that way you just have them ready in the fridge, and it's really easy. There you have it. That is probably the fastest method that I know of to preserve a ton of food and to really stock things up. And you can totally do this method even with store-bought produce. Even if you have to go to the grocery store and get your potatoes or your carrots, this will totally work. Of course, it's even better if you go to a local farm if you're not growing your own and buy it directly from the farmer. You'll probably get a better price and a better quality item. But hey, if you want to know about another way to preserve your food really quickly with very little work, check out this video right here.